welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change the time of when your PC goes into sleep. To start off with, first you need to go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click. You now need to click on Power Options, and you will now see an option under Sleep, which says when plugged in PC goes to sleep after, and mine is currently set to never. You can click on the drop down menu and you can choose what time you'd like your PC to go into sleep mode. We can choose all the way up to 5 hours, or you can choose never. You can also choose 5 minutes. That is totally up to you. Once you have chosen an option, all you need to do is go ahead and close down the window and you are all set to go. Your PC will now go into sleep whatever time you chose. If you couldn't see the option for power options, then you can also go down to the bottom left hand corner and type in power and open up power and sleep settings. And this will bring you back to the same settings page. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.